As of today, March 22nd, 2026, AT&T Fiber is experiencing sporadic outages across multiple U.S. regions. Reports are peaking in major metropolitan areas like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. These disruptions started around March 20th, 2026, and AT&T estimates full restoration by March 24th, 2026. The outages are affecting roughly 15 to 20% of AT&T Fiber customers nationwide. The primary cause is a software update glitch within AT&T's network infrastructure. Expect intermittent no internet errors, slow speeds, or complete blackouts lasting from minutes to hours. The core issue behind the current outage is a problematic software update deployed to AT&T's network infrastructure. This glitch is causing widespread connectivity problems, affecting a significant portion of fiber customers. AT&T is actively working on resolving the software issue with emergency fixes, including remote reboots and manual router resets. While no cyber attacks or hardware failures have been confirmed, it's crucial to understand the vulnerabilities inherent in software-driven network management. If a simple reboot doesn't work, run AT&T's diagnostic tools through their app or website. These tools can identify specific problems with your connection. If you're still experiencing issues, contact AT&T support directly. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed description of the problem. Remember, during widespread outages, response times may be longer than usual. AT&T has acknowledged the widespread outage and is actively deploying emergency fixes. They estimate full restoration of services by March 24th, 2026. The company is providing updates through its official website, app, and social media channels. While waiting for the fix, it's essential to stay informed and monitor AT&T's communication for any changes to the estimated restoration timeline. AT&T is investing heavily in infrastructure upgrades as part of its Project Gigabit initiative. The company is also adopting machine learning for predictive maintenance, which has already reduced outage durations by 40% since 2024. Furthermore, AT&T is exploring hybrid networks, combining fiber with 5G, 6G, and prioritizing zero-trust architectures to enhance security. These efforts aim to improve reliability and prevent future outages, striving for 90% uptime by 2030. AT&T's ongoing fiber expansion into rural areas is putting a significant strain on existing networks. This rapid growth can exacerbate outage issues by overloading infrastructure and creating temporary instability. This rapid growth leads to temporary instability and increased vulnerability to software glitches. As the network expands, it becomes more complex, making it harder to maintain reliability during updates. Furthermore, human error during software updates remains a risk, as evidenced by the current outage. Industry data shows that human factors contribute significantly to system failures. Balancing expansion with network stability is a crucial challenge for AT&T. They must grow their fiber network while ensuring reliability through better processes and technology. If AT&T Fiber continues to experience frequent outages, consider exploring alternative internet providers in your area, such as Verizon, which offers high-speed fiber internet with strong reliability in many urban areas. Or Google Fiber, known for symmetrical upload and download speeds up to 2 Gbps in expanding cities. Evaluate your options based on key factors like speed, reliability, and cost. In some underserved areas, satellite internet providers like Starlink may offer a viable backup solution with global coverage. Assess your needs and research available options to ensure reliable internet connectivity.